might be think that what the rubbish I am doing. Wait. I'm going to explain you everything about this tea, also about this video. Okay, this is a collaboration video. So I collaborate with hibiscus flower tea, premium quality hibiscus flower, caffeine free herbal tea. So I'm gonna divide this video into 4 parts. In the first, that is my intro and about me. In the second part is about this hibiscus tea and the benefits. In the third part is all about the benefits I'm getting after using this herbal hibiscus flower tea. And in the fourth part I'm going to explain you that how to make it. So let's go. So hey guys, this is P. Sonali Singdev, that you know me as Captain X Sonali, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
So hey guys, let's discuss about 8 benefits of hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is an herbal tea that's made by steeping parts of hibiscus plant in boiling water. So the first, packed with antioxidant. Antioxidants are molecules that help fight compounds called free radicals which cause damage to your cell. Hibiscus tea is rich in powerful antioxidants and may therefore help prevent damage and decrease caused by build up of free radicals. So the second benefit is lower blood pressure. One of the most impressive and well-known benefit of hibiscus tea is that it may lower blood pressure. Over time, high blood pressure can place extra strain on the heart and cause it to weaken. High blood pressure is also associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Several studies have found that hibiscus tea may lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. So let's discuss about its third benefit, that is help lower blood fat levels. In addition to lowering blood pressure, some studies have found that hibiscus tea may help lower blood fat levels, which are another risk factor for heart disease. Now let's discuss its fourth benefit, that is boost liver health. From producing proteins to secreting bile to breaking down fat, your liver is essential to your overall health. Interestingly, studies have shown that hibiscus may promote liver health and help keep it working efficiency. So let's discuss about promote weight loss, and it's the most important part of this video. So let's discuss about it. Several studies suggested that hibiscus tea may be associated with weight loss and protect against obesity. Current research is limited to studies using concentrated doses of hibiscus extract. More studies are needed to determine how hibiscus tea may influence weight loss in humans. So let's discuss its sixth benefit, that is help prevent cancer. Hibiscus is high polyphenols, which are compounds that have been shown to possess powerful anti-cancer properties. Test tube studies have found impressive results regarding the potential effect of hibiscus extract on cancer cells. Let's discuss its last and final benefit, that is help fight bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms that can cause a variety of infections to urinary tract and infections. In addition to having antioxidants and anti-cancer properties, some test tube studies have found that hibiscus could help fight bacteria.
So in this part I am going to show you that how to make it. Okay, now let's take, this is hibiscus flower tea, premium quality hibiscus flower, caffeine free herbal tea. let's see how to make it. Okay, let's see how to use boiled water in a kettle. I already boiled it. Here it is. And pour the boiled water into a teapot or a teacup. Already I have. So put hibiscus flower into it or use an infuser. Cover teapots and sleep for it 5 minutes. Okay. This, and these are the petals of hibiscus. Let's put in it, and all the petals I put it in this cup. Okay, now we done. So आफ्टर 5 मिनट्स मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि ये कैसा बना है और आपको कैसा लगता है. ओके, गिव मी 5 minutes. From thousands of years back, when people don't know about medicine, they use natural things like natural plant, natural stem, natural roots, natural flower to cure them. They are healthy more than us because they use natural things. But in this generation, in this day-to-day life, we consume lots of chemicals in different sources like medicine, like vegetables and many more. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you the health benefits of hibiscus tea and about hibiscus. So, rich in antioxidant, improve digestion, relieves menstrual cramps, promote weight loss. Wow. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this video informative, and don't forget to share with your friends that girl or boy maybe need it. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, see you soon. Love.